This is a dream, from blueprints to prosperous cities. Solid music, eternal life. Shanghai Construction Group. Investing, designing, building, service. Building life cycle service provider for a beautiful life. Power of construction. China's mega projects. From 492 to 632 meters. New height record in building once again set up by SCG. Shanghai Tower spirals into the sky with graceful curves, symbolizing the emerging China. Total floor area of 1.47 million SQM in the shape of a lucky four-leaf clover. The National Exhibition and Convention Center is the largest building unit in the world. Shanghai Disney Resort, with flowing light and color in music, realizes brilliant dreams in music of those who come. Kunshan Central Expressway, 44.4 kilometers long, eases the traffic pressure as flying over a populous city. These 4 mega projects are new chapters written by SCG on the land of China. Great buildings witness a grand era. Shanghai International Convention Center, Shanghai Oriental Art Center, Shanghai Grand Theater in Qingdao, National Grand Theater in Beijing, Beijing Jingxi Hotel, Shenyang Olympic Sports Center Stadium, and Xinjiang Guesthouse Hotel. Excellent projects are created by the same responsible contractor, SCG. Shanghai, a vibrant city at the Huangpu Riverside, is the very visual business card of SCG. As a backbone in urban development and construction, SCG undertakes more than 50% of key projects in Shanghai. Great contributions are made in the development of Hongqiao Business District, Nanhui New City, and World Expo 2010 Shanghai, laying solid foundation in advanced manufacturing, modern services, railway transit, and undertakings of culture, education, health, and sports. Nationally, SCG builds 70-odd megatall buildings with height over 200 meters, unveiling a new image of China. They can be found in cities of Shanghai, Kunming, Shenyang, Guangzhou, and etc. Projects including Shenyang Maoye Center, World Trade Center in Dalian, Lujiazui Financial Plaza in Tianjin, Heshi Golden Eagle World in Nanjing, Oriental Gate in Suzhou, Raffles City in Hangzhou, Greenland Center in Nanchang, Kempinski Hotel in Xi'an, Longmont in Chengdu, Spring City 66 in Kunming, and Guangzhou TV Tower. They are all new commercial landmarks in those cities. Internationally, projects such as Baltic Pearl in Russia, Pak China Friendship Center in Pakistan, the National Art Performing Center, and the Children's Hospital in Trinidad and Tobago, Gabon National Stadium, Zambia National Stadium, the Prek Kadam Bridge in Cambodia, Number 6 National Road in Cambodia, and Galaxy Resort in Macau are also landmarks in each country and region. SCG always forges ahead in the global economy. Its revenue has reached 100 billion RMB with a growth rate around 10% in past few years. It has been among China's top 50 companies listed by Fortune and has been ENR's top 15 of the world's 250 biggest international contractors. The trademark SCG is a sole famous trademark in China's construction industry. At present, SCG is one of the few holders of 2 Grade A qualifications in Architecture Design and 2 Grade Super A qualifications in General Contracting. The projects done by SCG scatter in more than 100 cities of nearly 30 provinces in China and over 20 countries and regions. Power of innovation. The construction of China's new peak, Shanghai Tower, lasts 8 years totally. A great number of world firsts are created over the long period, which is based on SCG innovation spirits that seek challenges and breakthroughs in construction technologies. A virtual Shanghai Tower stored in the tablet PC is a digital model formed by collecting all-round building data information. Building Information Modeling (BIM) enables architects, engineers, and owners to have comprehensive information at command so as to optimize their decision-making in the construction process. The curtain wall part of Shanghai Tower, with 140,000 SQM constituting 20,000 pieces of glass panels, is equipped with no redoing. It sets a new milestone in China's design and construction management expertise. In addition to BIM technology, SCG has renewed several world records in 20-odd technologies of megatall building construction, including integral climbing steel working platform in megatall building construction, robot technology, and etc. An innovative nation relies on its talents and inclusive atmosphere. The talented workforce is also the mainstay of SCG's science and innovation capacity. 2 academicians of the Chinese Academy of Engineering, 6 state-level design masters, 20-odd city leading talents, 50-odd experts who enjoy special government allowances, more than 200 senior engineers at professor level, and hundreds of people with PhD degrees and thousands with master degrees. In recent years, SCG has spent over 2.9 billion RMB annually on technical research and development. The inputs has turned into outstanding achievements in core technologies such as megatall building construction, pumping of high-performance concrete, deep foundation pit design and construction, large-scale bridge design, nuclear and wind power plant, landscape design and construction, green construction, long-span steel structure installation, trenchless technology for tunnel and underground space, historical building renovation, soil remediation, and wetland construction. Facing the future, SCG will continue to strengthen its influence in the industry by focusing on key project construction, construction industrialization, and edge-cutting technologies in the world. Power of future. As an advocate and leader in the concept of China's urban utility upgrading, SCG continues to pioneer in underground passage, intelligent transportation, underground pipe gallery, operation and maintenance, sponge city, and soil improvement. Following projects are examples: the 450,000 SQM underground Hopska at the previous Shanghai World Expo site, Lujiazui underground space development, repair and maintenance of Shanghai rail transit, repair and protection of historical buildings such as the Central Plaza on Nanjing Road, the Peace Hotel, Shanghai Sihang Warehouse Memorial Museum, and Bund 18, the restoration of contaminated land in Minhang Business District. Besides, the scaffolding-free prefabricated construction buildings at the Zhoukanghang Residential District done by SCG are regarded as branding in China's PC building field. In order to meet the strict requirements of Shanghai Disney Resort project, teams from SCG renewed the soil on site up to a depth of 1.5 meters. It is the green concept and innovation that make all these cases successful. On such cornerstone, SCG is at the frontier of green development in construction industry. Design capability plays a fundamental role in future. Among 30,000 employees of SCG, over 6,000 of them specialize in design and consultancy. SCG's businesses cover the entire industrial chain: building construction, design consultancy, real estate development, urban infrastructure investment, construction material production. 3 industrial bases are established: Industrial Component Industrial Base, Engineering Equipment Industrial Base, and Steel Structure Industrial Base. Core advantages lies in integration of investment and construction, design and construction, R&D and application, making SCG an important international engineering service provider. Future strategy will focus on green technology, industrialization, information application, so as to attain momentum development across the country as a building life cycle service provider. New journey. SCG always pursues the best with harmony as its principle. The past is a prelude for greater course in the future. Over the past century, SCG has been deeply embedded with genes of strong executive force, integrity, and craftsmanship in the open city Shanghai. Its will and faith are reinforced with the development of the nation over 60 years. The Huangpu River has the historic World Expo of Architectures on the west and the Shanghai Tower on the east. SCG, whose headquarters has all these in sight, is now presenting Chinese Dream to the world. The brighter the Chinese dream is, the brighter SCG's dream will be. SCG is committed to strengthening the industrial chain, optimizing the supply chain, and improving the value chain. By integrating business in investment, design, construction, development, operation, management, and maintenance, SCG will continue to go beyond your expectations to be a widely renowned building lifecycle service provider. Miracles ahead. SCG is always on the journey.